Welcome. If you've ever blocked someone on Roblox and want to reconnect, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unblock users on Roblox Mobile with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Whether you blocked a friend by accident or just want to give someone a second chance, this guide will have you sorted in just a few taps. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the three dots labeled More. This will open up the main menu where you can find all your account options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see different categories. Tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where Roblox keeps all your privacy controls and blocked user information. Now, tap on Ads Preferences. Here's the trick. You'll see a toggle for blocked users. Switch this on, and you'll instantly see a list of everyone you've blocked on Roblox. Browse through your blocked users list and find the person you want to unblock. When you spot their name, just tap Unblock next to it. A quick confirmation will pop up. Go ahead and confirm your choice. That's it. The user is now unblocked and can interact with you again in games and chat, depending on your privacy settings. If you want to be friends again, you'll need to send or accept a friend request separately. Managing your Roblox experience is easy when you know where to look. Unblocking someone only takes a few moments, and you're always in control of who can connect with you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!